This is a Gato Consulting production. Choosing strategically. The main strategic choices. There are a lot of important choices, but to have a strategy, there are a few main strategic choices you must consider and choose your standing on them. I will recap them now. For more details, please watch the videos of Step 2 of the Strategy4Action Framework. One thing to keep in mind, go through all these choices and then review all of them before you lock them in. These decisions are iterative. We can start by defining what's your generic strategy. Are you a cost leader, a differentiator, or do you focus on a niche? What are the competitive advantages and the core competencies that will make you sustainably different and better than your competitors, given the strategy you choose? What are your values and the most valued behaviors at your company? What is your purpose and your mission? If you're familiar with my work, you know I don't think you need all these elements. Two, or even one, can summarize what you stand for and what you're trying to accomplish. What is your vision and aspiration to win? And how would you translate it into tangible goals? There are a few important areas where objectives should be defined.
Ah, you see, these choices set the big picture. It's like a flag that shows the way towards an exciting and challenging destination. The long-term goals you established and want to achieve. But it's also going to be a framework for all future decision making, clarifying priorities and defining what you do and what you don't do. Last, and certainly not least, it will be a source of cohesion and inspiration for everyone in your company in the foreseeable future.
Throughout your strategic thinking process, you will have gone through several choices. I call the following the 6 key strategic decisions, and you absolutely must go through them. I call them the key strategic decisions because these are the choices that can really move the needle on your business and cause you to grow by leaps and bounds. Product development and the segments they target, as well as geographical expansion, are usually the starting point, and Roger Martin and AJ Lafley call them the where to play decisions. The other key strategic decisions are vertical integration, capacity expansion, diversification, and corporate development, or how you'll accomplish the above, organic development, or joint venture and M&A. Remember to make choices that make a difference. You can't expect to move the needle doing the same you have been doing. That's madness. Aim high, at a different order of magnitude, and our frameworks will measure the strengths of your choices. Now, as you consider these critical things, you will make choices and establish some main opportunities you want to pursue to really make your company move forward. And you will also define some key strategic initiatives to make things happen for you.
By the way, this is what I call the strategic statement. The big picture, competitive advantage being the key element, and the set of main opportunities and initiatives which you have uncovered and selected. Congratulations. This is your strategy.
This is a Gato Consulting production. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. There are plenty of new videos coming up.